Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Draxall and we are showing you the construction of the new Hilo store or Hilo supermarket in Draxall. Now Hilo is the second largest supermarket chain in Jamaica and they have 13 stores but they plan to expand. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the plans that Hilo has. Now, they currently have 13 stores and they plan to expand to 20 locations by 2030. Hilo Food Stores, established in 1954 and acquired by Grace Kennedy in 1984, is one of Jamaica's leading supermarket chains. Currently operating 13 stores, the company has announced plans to expand to 20 locations by 2030, including new stores in Morant Bay, Mandeville, and Draxall, St. Anne. These expansions target underserved areas, providing communities with modern retail facilities and greater access to groceries and household essentials. The new stores are designed to meet global standards, offering spacious layouts, modern refrigeration, and enhanced shopping experiences. The Draxall location in particular benefits from the area's growing commercial activity and proximity to both residential and tourism-linked markets. Each store is also expected to create 30 to 70 jobs, contributing to local employment and economic growth. Hilo's expansion strengthens its competitive position against other supermarket chains, while adapting to changing consumer preferences such as convenience shopping and e-commerce integration. However, challenges include construction, timelines, supply chains, supply logistics, competition, and economic factors like cost inflation. In summary, Hilo's expansion, including the planned Draxall store, demonstrates a strategic approach to growth by combining modern retail infrastructure, employment opportunities, and improved service for Jamaican communities, reinforcing its position as a leading supermarket chain on the island. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.